Yes, good morning, Caroline. Okay, can you see me?
Yes.
Can you hear me properly?
Yes.
Okay, so our topic for today, let us keep, because the last one we have developing 10 already. So now I used another topic, another, okay, so we're going to talk different topic, but I want us to start from the very beginning. It's lesson, it is actually a speaking class. It is about a visa interview. Okay. Okay. So we have here travel English. It's lesson one of visa interview. Okay. So we have here. So you can see like that only, Caroline. Okay. Can you see properly?
No.
Caroline, yeah. Can you see? So this is different materials again, because I want you to explore not only to one material. Your mom told me that we need to explore to different materials. So I try to find materials that that will encourage you to talk like this. So our topic for today from lesson one, I will ask you, or this is about visa interview. So of course, Caroline, when we travel to other country, there are countries that need visa for us to enter. Okay. So I don't know if Vietnam need a visa. I guess. Okay. But here, what kind, okay, so in the Philippines, when you come here, I don't know if I'm not certain. Okay, our country, my country, Philippines, doesn't need visa. So we are visa free. So you can travel in my country without visa. So all you have to do is just to comply the proper from your immigrations going here in my country. So it's not that hard, Caroline. But somehow there are countries, mostly like Europe and Americans, they really need visa. Okay, so what kind of questions might be asked at a visa interview? So this is the first questions, or the first questions that will pop up in our mind. Teacher, what kind of questions might be asked at a visa interview? Okay, I will ask you. So what do you think, Caroline? Give me one. Do you have any idea?
No.
Okay, so yes, hard. Okay, so we have here in the explorations. Okay, wait, ha. I will make it a little bit short. Ay, sorry. Okay, can you see? Is it okay?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so we're going to have here about the exploration. So let us read the dialogue and check our answer. Okay, so I am the officer. Example, I am the immigration officer and you are Lisa. Okay, you ready, Caroline? Okay, good
Okay.
morning. May I have your documents?
Good morning. Here they are.
Thank you. Now, please answer my questions honestly. What is the purpose of your visit?
I'd like to visit both New York and Boston for vacation. You can see all the travel details in my
Itinerary.
itinerary.
I see. What will be the duration of your stay?
I'll be in the US for 1 month.
Oh, where will you be staying?
In New York, I will be staying at my cousin's house, and in Boston, I'll be staying at the Rich's house hotel. Here is my cousin address and my hotel reservation.
Okay. Well, everything seems to be in order. Thank you for your time. Okay. So as you can see in the dialogue, Caroline, what do you think is the first questions that the IO or the immigration officer asked to Lisa? First, the first question. Is?
May I have your document?
Okay, that's it.
Document.
Aside from that one, what else? What? The proper question. What? What?
What's the
Purpose?
of your visit?
Correct. The first question is, what is the purpose of your visit? Okay, that's the first one, huh? So, mostly immigration officer will ask you, what is the purpose of your visit? Or like, why do you want to travel? Okay, like that's the first one. Okay, and then they will gonna ask your place to travel, where to stay, because they will gonna check. Example. So here Lisa is telling my cousin's address. So they will gonna check also if your cousin has the capacity to provide you shelter or do they have work like that. And of course, if you will be staying in the hotel, they will ask or get your hotel reservation because maybe it's not true. Okay, so they will need the tickets. Okay, going there tickets and the return tickets. Okay, so here's
Okay.
Caroline. So you can see in the picture. So do you understand, Caroline? Hmm? So by the way, have you tried being interviewed with some officer when you try to travel to other country, or have you traveled to other country aside from Ho Chi Minh, Hanoi, or what? Singapore. Have you traveled to Singapore?
No.
Okay, so here. So someday soon, Caroline, when you will be going to another country, of course, you can experience like this. Okay. So we have here, in the extension of the topic, okay, do you remember the officer? Okay, please familiarize first. And then after one, if you familiarize it already, please tell teacher. So I will proceed to the question, okay? So I will give you 1 minute. Okay?
Okay.
You're done? Okay, my question number one. Do you remember the officer questions and what were they? Go, Caroline.
Um. Yes.
Okay?
It's
So,
for your
first,
document.
mm-hmm, give me the documents. Another one.
Just that.
Oh, so give me the documents and the second one that I tell you.
Yeah,
What
just
were
now.
they? Okay. So what might be the purpose of your visit? Okay. What might be the purpose or other purpose, sorry, of your visit?
Um, what purpose mean?
Okay, here. What is the reason why you need to go US? Like you
Okay.
will go into New York and Boston.
Um, might go to for the vacation.
Okay, very good. Go to vacations. Okay, what other ways, Caroline, can you ask what will be the duration of your stay? Example, you are the IO, you are the immigration officer. So, what other ways, Caroline, in which you will ask what will be the duration of your stay? What will be the duration of your stay?
Um, where will you stay?
Okay. So what other ways can you ask what will be the duration of your stay? Example, you will say what will be the duration of your stay? What is the other what will be the other questions that somehow the same with this one?
Where will you stay?
Oh, where will you stay? Okay. When? What will be the duration? When or how long you will stay? So that is the other questions. So when you say what will be the duration of your stay, you can also say, Caroline, how long you will stay. Okay, like example, I will ask you. Okay, now, Miss Caroline, how long will you stay?
How long will you stay?
Okay, that's how long will you stay. Okay. So now, Caroline, let us practice this. Okay, like this, Caroline, ha? Look at this one. Okay, so you think for a country. You think for a country, ha? It could be London, Paris. And then you think why you will travel. Okay, because we're gonna have dialogue. Teacher and we're gonna ask questions to you, and then you will answer all by yourselves. Not this one, ha? Not in the screen. So you have to make your own answers. Okay, Caroline?
Okay.
Yeah, okay. So I will give you 2 minutes to think for the questions. I mean for the answers. Okay? Like this, you will gonna think Lisa, 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 and Lisa. Okay? So after that, after 2 minutes, teacher N will gonna ask you, example, I am the IO and you are the traveler. And you will travel to Europe or you will travel to any country. Okay? Go, Caroline. Okay, 2 minutes,
Okay.
Caroline, huh? You can think, you can write in the paper, and then you will gonna read it when teacher will going to ask question. Clear. Okay, Caroline?
Okay.
Okay, yes, okay, very good. So this is how to make sure if you really know how to answer. Okay, Caroline, done? Ready or not yet?
Okay.
Okay, now. Okay, so I will ask you. Okay, so I am the IO and you are Lisa, example. So I will ask you about this one. Okay, good morning, Caroline. May I have your documents?
Yeah, of course.
Thank you. Now, please answer my questions honestly. What is the purpose of your visit?
I'd like visit to Hanoi for the vacation.
You can see all the travel details in my, sorry. See, what will be the duration of your stay?
I'll be in Hanoi for 2 weeks.
Where will you be staying in Hanoi?
In a hotel.
Do you have your reservation?
Wait. Yes, here.
Okay. So do you have your passport with you?
Yes, all here.
Okay. So do you have your tickets? Your return tickets?
No.
Not yet?
Yes.
Again, Caroline, do you have your return tickets?
Yes.
Okay, so Caroline, okay, thank you, Caroline. So Caroline, when you try to do an interview like this, so you have to be firm. So you have to be sure with your answer because the IO immigration is very strict. Once they found out that you're not that competent, you're not that what they call that one, you will not that confident to answer the questions, you will be denied. Okay, so you cannot go to the other country. You will be denied because the IO found out that, oh my God, this kind of person, maybe there's something wrong that she will gonna do in the other country. So they are make sure of that because that is their job. Okay, thank you, Caroline, for that one. Okay, so here, useful language, Caroline, please match the words with their meanings. Put them in the right sentences. Okay, can you do that? Okay, please try to answer. Okay, you can write your answer in the chat box if you want, or you can speak it up.
Okay.
Go. Arrangement to secure something. The answer number one and number two, the reason for which something is done, we call it purpose. My purpose is going to London is to go sightseeing. Okay, letter A. Where will you match the sentence in letter A? This is actually vocabulary. Yes,
Wait.
yeah, go. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Wait, ni Carlin ha, a minute. Okay, done, Caroline?
No, not yet.
Okay, go. You tell me after, huh?
Okay, I'm done. Teacher, I'm done.
Okay, so here, an arrangement to secure something. What is this?
Reservation.
Reservation. Okay, what much to reservation? Correct. What much to reservation?
4.
Okay, very good. Can you please read number 4 using the word reservation?
Yes. Do you need to look up my hotel reservation?
Correct. Okay, number 2, a detailed plan for a journey. A detailed plan for a journey.
Itinerary.
Okay, correct. And then please use the word itinerary for your sentence.
The itinerary, I'll be there for is 2 months.
Okay, correct. Okay, very good. Okay, my troubles details are in my, okay, itinerary. Okay, 4, the length of time something continues for.
For duration.
The length of time something continues for.
Duration.
Yes. Bliss. Come here. What happened to your mouth? Tip, man. Yes. Uy, what happened to your... May I see, be? Hala, pareha kag tip ni Ate Jillian. Ngani ba tip ni Jillian? Arrest me. Okay. The length of time something continues for. What is your answer for this one?
Duration.
Okay, very good. Okay. What is the thing that much with duration?
The duration, I'll be there for is 2 months.
Okay, very good. Yay! I have a baby here. Look at my baby. Can you see my baby? Come here, come here. That's my baby.
So
You say
cute.
hi. Hi. You wave. You wave. Hello. Oh, hello. This is my baby. My baby boy. What's your name? Hi. This is hi. I'm Kyle. You say hi. I'm Kyle. I am Kyle. Oh, very good.
Oh, so cute.
Okay.
Okay.
Sort the answers into the correct questions boxes.
I saw your face in the Facebook.
Okay. Sort the answers into the correct questions boxes. Okay. What is the purpose of your visit? What will be the duration of your stay? Where will you be staying? Okay, please try to sort your answer into the boxes, correct question boxes. Okay.
Teacher, I'm done.
Be careful.
Bye, Kyle.
Say goodbye.
Okay. Sort the answers into the correct questions boxes. Okay. What is the purpose of your visit? Number one. What will be the duration of your stay? Number two. Where will you be staying? Number three. Okay. Please sort this one. Okay. So you can, where do you think belong this? I'm going to visit Toronto for vacation. Where do you think will these questions fall? This one, or this one? Okay. I will mark 1, 2, and 3 only. Rin, ha? You can write 1, 2, and 3. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, go. I will read number 1, huh? I'm going to visit Toronto for vacation. So what is this?
What's the purpose of your visit?
Okay, very good. I will study at New York University for a master's degree.
What the purpose of your visit?
Very good. About a month?
What will be the duration of your stay?
Okay. I am visiting Paris for business.
What's the purpose of your visit?
Okay. I plan to stay for 2 weeks.
What will be the duration of your stay?
I'll live in the dormitory at my university.
Where will you be staying?
Okay, very good. Yay! You understand this? Very easy, right?
Yes.
Okay, this is the sample of the mock visa interview that we did a while ago. The one that you told me, that I tell you rather that I am the IO and you are the traveler. So we call it mock visa interview. So we did mock visa interview with this. Okay, it's the officer and this is the applicant. Okay.
Okay.
So here, so this as a review, we have here the officer Caroline. Okay, and these are the applicants' answers, response. Okay, so what is the purpose of your visit? Okay, I'm going to US for sightseeing. Okay, so let us do the review. Okay, what is the purpose of your visit?
I'm going to the US for sightseeing.
What will be the duration of your stay?
I'll be staying for 2 weeks
Where will you be staying?
at the Ridge Hotel. Here's my reservation.
Okay, very good. So this is only a simple visa interview. Okay, so the next topic we're going to have another one. Okay, this one, huh? Okay, but of course, sorry, Caroline. So let us continue. So we will gonna do the next activity. Okay, we still have, okay, next. Okay, now, what is your name?
Um,
Caroline?
my name is Ha.
Okay, what does it mean?
It means a river.
Okay, where do you come from?
I'm from Da Nang, Vietnam.
Do you study English at school?
Yes,
Do you like it?
yes, of course.
Okay, what time do you normally get up in the morning? Remember how getting up is different from waking up. Okay, what time do you normally get up in the morning, Caroline?
I normally get up at when I go to school. I normally get up at 6 a.m.
Okay, what do you normally eat for breakfast?
I normally eat bread.
Hmm?
I normally eat bread.
Okay, go. Everything. Okay, so we have here the different thing. Okay, so a girl is going to spend 2 weeks living in a. Okay. A girl is going to spend 2 weeks living with a family in England to improve her English. She has put the clothes she needs in her bag, talk together about the other things she will need to take, and say which will be the most important. Here is a picture with some ideas to help. Example, you are going to travel, okay, in England, okay? So to improve your English, and you have to put the clothes she needs in her bag. What do you think are the things that needed to take with you? Okay, to take with her. What do you think? Give me two only.
I think he take the book.
Again?
I think she take the book and the notebook
Okay, book and notebook. Why do you think that she needs to take a book and a notebook so can have all the things here? Go, Caroline.
because she needs to improve her English.
Mm-hmm.
So I think we'll have help her. Have she?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Yes.
Okay, yes. Okay, more. What? Why do you think the two, the notebook and the book? Why?
Um, I think because helpful for to improve her English.
Okay, because it will help her develop her English. Is that so? How about makeup? Our phone. Phone is very important. Phone is very important, right?
Yes.
Okay. So yes, okay. So for this, you can have phone. Probably you can have the book. You can have the notebook. Okay. So you're gonna take down the important things that you need. Okay. Next one. Okay. So this is the last one, Caroline. Okay. So please describe me the picture in picture one. Okay. Please describe it properly. Okay.
Okay.
So what can you please describe, or you think of descriptions based on the picture?
I think
Okay, are you ready?
yes.
Oh, you're gonna icing to the eye. Okay, go.
The whole family is going to
I don't like. Ako lang ipusutan man. Jadi ay, oh, ito na. Okay, go. Yeah, you don't like what?
No, I think the whole family is going to picnic
Okay, and then what happened? They're going to picnic, and then
and enjoying the meal.
they enjoy the view. What do you think? They're picnic. Are they near the beach or what?
Just that.
Just that. Only that, Caroline. They are having a picnic. They're enjoying each other. Okay, which do you think? Which place is that? Beach, forest, park, where? Where? Beach, park, or forests?
I think so.
What? What do you think? Park?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a park, as you can see. Okay, there is a shade of the tree. So probably, Caroline, this is in the park. You can see Sprite and Coca-Cola and snacks. Okay? So, Caroline, we don't have enough time for now, so I will see you on Sunday, okay? Thank you so much for today, Caroline. And I hope you learned something and you enjoyed the talking, okay? I will see you on Sunday for the continuation of our topic about visa. So we'll have to move another topic. It's a very nice one. Okay?
Okay, thank you, teacher.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Goodbye.